What's up, you guys? Making another video here for all you YouTubers. For all my 10 viewers that are out there listening or viewing. I'll try to make this interesting for you guys so you guys don't fall asleep while I'm explaining things. Anyways, this is a 90 LX coupe, if you don't already know that. And I'm in the process of building it. I haven't really done the intro or anything like that. I've just been working on this car, and I figured it's a good time to start to make the intro, show you guys where it's at, where we're at. I'll put a bunch of pictures somewhere in here. I'll try to edit this and make it as cool and interesting for you guys so you guys don't fall asleep, or so you guys can be entertained. This is where we're at. I'm thinking of going with this instead of that, because I think that looks better, but I might polish the face of that because I already sanded it. But I'm gonna polish it just to see how it looks. Anyways, if you guys want to see what I look like, there I am in all my glory. Crazy hair day and whatnot. Don't be scared, you guys. I don't bite. Okay, just so you guys know who you're talking to, put a face to it, you know, if you guys haven't seen me already. And let me walk you guys through it. I got the windows that I made, which I'll put a little something over here to show you guys. I don't know how I made them or the process or something. I've been posting on Instagram a lot. Really haven't been posting on YouTube much, but this will be the intro to this car. I've had a lot of little setbacks. You know, things happen. You get sick. You go through it with your wife or something. Maybe you go through it financially. Maybe you're struggling financially. You know, that's happened to me. All those things that I'm mentioning. But thankfully, thank God, we're still here. Another day. This is Thanksgiving, November 25th. I think it is. Whatever, correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, show you guys the interior. Did 2000 GT, the new edge swap. So I got the dash in here. I took video of all that too, so if you guys are interested in all that, I can make a video. But this is gonna be the intro, so I could always take make a video of what I've done in the past, because I have all that footage. I'm still not done with the door panels. I gotta get those done. I might take it to a guy that I know, that my dad knows, that can do those for me, since I did move the handle because of the dash, the problem with it hitting, if you guys didn't know that. Still have to do the headliner. Still have to get the headliner done. And no, I do not want to do black. I want to do like a brown, like this one, or a tan. Maybe most likely the brown, the dark brown, just because it'll match with the top of the dash. I like the tan interior. I don't really like all that black interior stuff. I'm tired of seeing it. There's so many black interiors. I like the peanut butter. This is what I had anyways, and it's different to me. It's better eye candy, if you will. You know how they say. And then another thing that I like, I'll show you guys. Go ahead and take the plate, I don't care. But this light over here is a light that was made in Mexico, and it says it right there, hecho en Mexico. And those are my roots. That's where my family comes from, so I think it's pretty cool, so I'll just leave it there. And this one's original light. The side exhaust, I don't really like it. I seen another car that has it right here, that has the exhaust coming out of right here. I like that, but I'm not too sure if I want to go through the hassle and whatnot of making the hole and having it heat resistant, I guess you would say, so that it could come out of the side. I do have the cap back that I was planning on putting on it. It's just that I got it used, so it has a couple holes on it. I might fix that up a little bit before I put it on there, just so I don't have a little exhaust leak here and there. The mirrors, I do not like the original mirrors for these Foxbodies. They're hideous in my opinion. They're super small. Excuse the mess. I do not like these mirrors. I like the SN95 mirrors. To me, they just look better. They're just nicer. They got a little shape to it. These are ugly and square and pointy and weird. So I might try to adapt these mirrors onto this base or whatever. We'll see. Leave that there to work out later. So we need the exercise, you know. I'm a little bit sick right now, but I'm taking advantage that nobody's here so I can make this video. Family's out at a party, Thanksgiving party. But I'll probably be here anytime soon. And if you guys build cars and you have a family, you have kids, a wife, and maybe even a job, you know how hard it is when you're trying to get things done or whatever, and then you have to try to manage your life at home. You spend time with the kids, spend time with the wife, spend time with yourself, spend time with God. If you're into that, some of you, I know you might not be into that. So that's a whole nother thing all in itself, and I'm not gonna go there. Just don't hate on my faith. I won't hate on it, or go ahead and hate on it. It doesn't matter really, but you know, we would all be more comfortable if we weren't hating on each other, right? Anyways, the bottom of this, I have a bunch of footage and videos and whatnot of how I fixed the bottom of this car, the undercarriage or whatever you want to call it. I could post some of those if you guys are interested. If I get maybe, we'll say if I get a couple people that'll comment, hey, I'm interested, I want to see, or whatever. If I get maybe like 10 likes and people are like, yeah, I want to see how you did that, I want to see that, or you go check out my Instagram, I'll put the link somewhere up here or whatever. I don't know, however those people do that. I need to get some editing skills so I can do that. And I also have videos and footage of doing all this, fixing the hood. It was broken, all the fiberglass work that I did to it right here. And then the top of it was cracked. It was pretty shot out. I did not take off all the red, so please don't hate on me for that. Or do, whatever. I just sanded it down. Anyways, the scoops, have videos of that. I can't find the windows, I can't find them anywhere. If you guys have a coupe and looking for windows, you know the struggle. If you do find them, they're pretty pricey. So I made these for it. It's still a little flimsy. I might put another piece of something like this in the middle, but I have another one down here, and it's, for now I have it bolted on with these little chilillos, they call it in Spanish. Some people call it that, but they're self-tapping screws. And I have it bolted in here. I have it bolted so it'll hold on to it for now. But anyways, it has, let's see, for exhaust it has long tubes with the H pipe or X pipe. I don't even know. Let's see. Let's make sure. It's an X pipe. So I got an X pipe with the long tubes, and it sticks out a lot. But the car's not that low, so I don't know, I might just leave it for now. And what else? I got the whole tubular BMR K-member with tubular control arms and all that, and then it has the coilovers. It has the coilovers, and it has obviously the SN95 brakes, or New Edge, whatever you want to call it. And let's see, still want to make the cover for right here. To cover all this, I'll paint it charcoal gray. I don't want to put too much red. I want to put just a little bit, just so it's like kind of subtle, so it kind of gets your eye, I guess you could say. That red really catches your eye, at least my eye, that is. Anyways, I'll do that charcoal gray, and then I'm thinking of putting the little hood pins but I covered the holes for the hood pins that it had, because it had those right here, but I took those off, and I still got to put the little shocks over here for the hood, so I don't have this stick. Have to have that stick holding it up. Stick, piece of metal. I gotta do the other side, and then I'll be painting those. The plan for these is to have them looking like windows, so I'll do a matte molding looking thing here with a little piece of I want to get like a little rubber piece, kind of like this one, to stick it on the edge of this, do the flat black, a little border, and then I'll probably even put the little Mustang thing right here, just so it looks like an original window from far. And then you get close to it, you know, obviously see that it's not original, it's not a window, it's a cover. What else? The gas cap. If you guys have ever done the swap, or if you're thinking of doing it, this is something that you got to consider, because the New Edge gas tank has a smaller diameter hole for this neck, so you can't just put the Foxbody neck into the SN95 or New Edge gas tank. You have to use one or the other, but maybe I'll cut this and I'll put a piece of hose that drops in size, so I could use the neck from the Foxbody. I'm deleting all the evap stuff, all the canister, charcoal canister and all that, so I'm not gonna worry about those things, because it does, the SN95 or the New Edge has it in the back, has the charcoal canister and all that, and it's also returnless system, so we'll see what I do with that later. Mostly I just want to get it painted. I want to get it looking nice, I guess, to kind of, I don't know, to drive it, so I won't get pulled over. And yeah, I want to be able to take it to places and not be worried about people talking smack about my primer. Not that it would matter, but I just want to take it out nice. I don't want to take it out all primered. And I still have to paint the moldings. I have to prep and paint all the moldings for it. I did delete the keyhole in the back because it was chewed up and it looked like they had cut it out or something. So I had to fix it anyway, so I just patched it up. I have pictures and maybe a few videos of that. But this is gonna be shaved. I have the popper working. And oh, another thing, I did use the SN95 or New Edge harness on it. I used that harness. I just give it a little wire tuck, so I have the wires in the back of here and of over there. I also put the lines for the hydro boost, the power steering lines are over there, so it looks a little cleaner. And I did shave the engine bay a little bit. I have videos and stuff for that too. You guys want to check it out. But this is kind of like just the intro video, so here it is. I'll make it as short and fast and as entertaining as possible. And hopefully you guys are liking it. If you guys want to know, I want to talk about stuff that, like, mentally, that goes on behind the build. So maybe some of you guys that have no issues, no mental issues or whatever, you know, you guys go on about your day. But for the people that are trying to build stuff, build a car or something, and you're struggling with something, like maybe say you don't really know how to do bodywork and you're kind of scared to get into it, you would rather pay somebody to do it, I'll show you how to do it, and I'll guide you through it. Not only the physical part, but the mental part of it, because it does get a little discouraging sometimes when you mess up or whatever. But I'll walk you guys through that, how I handle those things mentally. Also, if you don't have any help like I do, or very little help, I'll kind of talk about how I get through those things, because sometimes that's also obstacle to get over. When you don't have help, you feel like you're alone and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to do it. Well, nowadays they have YouTube for everything, and people talk and socialize through YouTube and whatnot. So I guess that's kind of where I'm at and what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, all that YouTube stuff, like the likes, the subscribing and all that, please do so if you can. If you don't want to or whatever, I get it. Sometimes I hear it, I don't subscribe and I don't like. So whatever, if you watch this far, then that's good enough. And thank you for that. Today's Thanksgiving. We'll be thankful for what we could be thankful for. And try to find a thumbnail for it. Maybe something like that, with some lettering over here or something, I don't know. Or maybe more like that, so you can see it better. We'll see. We'll see. My dirty garage. I'll probably be doing a little bit of a painting or something, just so it doesn't look so plain and ugly. I'm kind of tired of the look. And plus, I need to clean up, so that'll be a good time to do it. Everything's kind of just ghetto. We're renting here, so I did the floor. That was already 2 or 3 years ago, going on 3 years. So might have to redo that. Put the insulation on the door, put the lights up. Didn't do such a great job because I was in a hurry. Put the shelves up, put these shelves up, just so I can maximize space efficiency or whatever. Got my speed bag up. You guys seen the little speed bagging that I do? I got this thing that I made that when I painted the rotors and the calipers and stuff, I did it on top of this, and this is what came out. I thought it was pretty cool, so I left it there. Kind of looks like a little dude or something, you know? Looks like eyeballs looking at you. And it's pretty cool. Anyways, the car. Intro. Hit a like or don't. Whatever. This is Edgar Silva. Located in California. We're trying to build this car right here. Trying to get it done. And you guys could follow along if you want. I'll show you guys some of my previous builds, so you can kind of get an idea of how my work comes out. Somebody's singing outside. Anyways, thumbs up, hit the like or don't. Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving. God bless you guys. Take care. Build your car. Like that one guy says on Fab Forums, get to work, son. Hopefully he doesn't get mad that I took that and somehow watches this video someday. I follow your stuff. If you do, good job. Anyways, peace out. Take care. God bless you guys.